Hello everyone and welcome to Stream and Tech Now. I've got a real quick video that you're going to want to make sure you watch because if you have a Firestick or a Fire TV with Alexa enabled capability, well, you're definitely going to want to see this. Just when you think your conversations with Alexa are private, not so fast. They are saving all of your recordings, and I'm going to show you where to go and how to permanently delete those fast and easy coming up next. Okay, so in order to get these recordings deleted, it's really easy. So what you need to do is head to the main website for Amazon. Now, I would recommend using either your phone or a tablet. I don't believe you can actually do it right on your Fire Stick, so I would head to either a phone or a computer or some type of device where you can go to Amazon.com. And then what you want to do is to go to the menu icon in the top left-hand corner, those three horizontal lines. So click that. That's going to take you to this page, and you want the very first option there that says account. So click account, and then simply scroll down to right there where it says manage content and devices. Go ahead and click manage content and devices. That's going to bring you to this page, and what you want to do is you want to click on the tab that says devices. So click devices, and then just scroll down a little bit and you'll see on the very bottom it says delete voice recordings. Okay, so all you have to do is click that, and then you'll get a message prompt that pops up right here, and basically it's just saying that they keep the recordings associated with your account to learn how you speak and improve your accuracy and blah blah blah. I don't know about you, but I would prefer them not having that, and I would like to personally delete all of those recordings. So this is how you do that, and then all you need to do is simply click delete, and then click delete voice recordings. Give it a few seconds, and then it says your request was received, and it will go ahead and delete all of your voice recordings. That's it, guys. That's how easy it is to do that. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of that. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time on Stream and Tech Now.